Hey guys, I'm back and I'm building our segments for our roof. So stick around, see what I did to make it even stronger. Let's do this thing. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Alright, so here's what we got, guys. What we got, if you remember, we got 2 pieces of wood. And I turned them up on their sides and I stapled them together. And that deflected whenever I was actually, it's only about, I guess I was just over 5 feet wide instead of 6 when I measured it. It deflected like 1 3/4 inches. So, what we're going to do is take some of this tie down. This is engineered tie down made for redneck palaces. That would be a double wide for y'all who are not rednecks. And, or an engineered house or whatever. But we're going to sandwich it between the two. And this right here, guys, is not your mama's tinfoil. Okay, this is 14 gauge. Had to cut it with my grinder. This is not thin. It's actually fairly thick. You can't just pop through this with a screw. You got to use a self-tapper. We're going to sandwich it together. I'm going to do 11 of these. And then I'm going to test it out. All I'm going to do, screw through this side, flip it over. And where I put these screws on the other side, I'm going to go halfway in between. Let's do it. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what I was doing. How I was making these. I made myself just a little simple jig, you know, no big deal. Just setting it down. What I'm doing first is I am pre-drilling holes all the way down this thing. Approximately 10 per side. And so I'll drill, say, right here on this one and right here on this one, and then I'll do it on this one, I'll do the opposite, you know, right in the dead center of them. We're close. But I wanted you to see this. I've set this up to where I can keep it kind of straight. I've got this to where it's nice and level, so I can push it down, get it all nice and level. I'm also using my leg as a roller. As you can see, this is my last one because this is my last one. Brought my nice chair out of my office out here. But you kind of have to bend this stuff back. And not bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and y'all can just kind of watch. I'll probably speed this up so it's not so painful, because I've been working on these for, I don't know, 4 hours. These are not fast, and having some issues with the screws. And as you can see, my arthritis is really bothering my wrist today. And I was gonna say that I got in a fight with my wife and she hit me with a pan, but she didn't hit me with a pan. It's just my wrist is really tender. So nothing broken, just keeping it there, keeping it really solid. So here we go. It's kind of a pain though, because it's hard to hold screws. Okay, here's something you don't see every day. All right, guys, let's test it out. See how it does. Oh, here's that same board. Okay, 6 1/4. Let's get on it just like we did last time. Now there is some deflection. Okay, not sure if you can see that, but that took out over half of the deflection. I'm kind of tempted to see what it's going to do with more. Six and 3/4. Oh. With nothing else other than putting that little bitty piece of metal in the center, we've taken out roughly 70% of our deflection. That's pretty stinking good. Especially whenever we get it completely spread out over the entire top of the camper. And I do have one more piece that'll go inside the camper after it's done. It's a track that goes across the middle. So, I'm tired, it's late, and I'm ready for bed. But tomorrow, I'm gonna start staining walls because I can start bracing across for my ceiling. Y'all have a good night. And I'll tell you what, one last thing. If you like this, subscribe. If you want to see the rest of these, watch right here. There's a whole group of them. Thank you guys. Enjoy your evening. Good night.